How to clean the intestines naturally recipe. Cleaning the intestines naturally typically involves consuming foods and drinks that promote digestive health and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Here's a simple recipe and some dietary tips to help cleanse your intestines. Intestinal Cleansing Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 cup fresh kale, 1/2 cucumber, 1/2 green apple, 1/2 lemon, juiced, 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup filtered water or coconut water, adjust for desired consistency. Instructions: wash all the fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Peel the cucumber and ginger if not using organic ones. Cut the cucumber, green apple, and ginger into smaller pieces for easy blending. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend on high speed until you achieve a smooth consistency. Dietary tips for intestinal health. Increase fiber intake. Include plenty of fiber-rich foods in your diet such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Fiber helps promote bowel movements and assists in eliminating waste from the intestines. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep the digestive system functioning optimally and to help flush out toxins from the body. Probiotics. Consume foods rich in probiotics like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. Limit processed foods. Reduce the intake of processed and junk foods, as they can be harder to digest and may contribute to intestinal issues. Herbal teas. Some herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, and chamomile can aid in digestion and soothe the intestines. Physical activity. Regular exercise can help stimulate bowel movements and improve overall gut health. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect digestion. Engage in relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to manage stress levels. Remember, while natural methods can be beneficial, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any existing health conditions. Cleansing should not be overly aggressive or excessive, as it may disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome and cause unintended side effects.